let me show you. These are all the shoes that I have. Hello, welcome to my channel everyone. Today we are doing my entire shoe collection. I'm going to show you what kind of style of shoes that I have, if I'm wearing them, if they're comfortable. I'm not gonna go in depth in pricing because I don't remember most of them. So I have my shoes mostly in that storage, and I have some in that closet, mostly the high heels that I have. But I thought, like, because I need to organize my closet, it's like messy right now. I'm getting my shoes and throwing them because I don't like to be too organized during the day. So I thought like it will be a good idea when I need to organize it, I can show you my shoe collections. I hope you will like it and enjoy it. I'm standing up right now, but I will probably sit down and show you. If I find them, I can link some of them below, but most of them are like from the previous season, so I'm not sure if you can find it. But yeah, let's get going started. Let me know, how many pairs of shoes do you think I have in this pile? I will go with, I don't know, 34, 35. Is it too much? I don't know. Like when you look at that, there is so many. So I'm not quite sure, but okay, I will go with 35. Okay, hello guys, we are on the floor right now and it's so hot. It's getting so hot, so I need to like make my hair a little bit of messy bun. I don't think it's like important in that video, my hair. It's like mostly the shoes are important. So, and I don't know where to start, guys. There's like so much. Yeah, we will get going. So let's start with the boots, I guess. I want to also take the picture afterwards, like to see how many shoes that I have. I bought this North Face winter boots 2 years ago from Boston. It was so wintry at that time. It was snowing like crazy and I didn't have black boots, so I wanted to get some. And if you know me, if you watched me from my previous videos, you know that I complain about the cold a lot. I want something for me to keep warm, and I got these black boots. Did I wear those in 2 years? No. Why? Because they are tighter than I wanted. I don't know how I fit myself in this shoe at that time, but I managed it somehow. But now I can't wear it. I have this black short hunter boots. I got them 2 months ago maybe, or a month ago, and I'm so happy with that. I'm like, I was looking for a rain boot because I just had one, which you will see next. But they are higher than, like, they are knee height, and this is like shorter and black. My clothes are usually black, my jeans, because they look slimmer in you and I like them. That's why I got the black version and I'm so happy with that. Next is this one. These are from Tommy and I got them in my undergrad, so it's been how many years? 5 or 6 years, like it's been a long time. So these are knee height and they have their symbol, you know that, like it's like glossy. These are like, keeps me really warm, actually warmer than the hunters. I don't know the inside material, but I really like those. So this is the second rain boot I have. Now we are going through the boots. This Timberlands, I'm not gonna hold them on the underneath. This Timberlands, these are, I can't see it. My size depends on the brand and their frame. I don't know if it's the right word to say, but I usually wear it as the European size 38 or 39, which is US 7 or 7.5. I can go up to 8, I guess. Next, I had these Uggs and they are longer than the short. I had these from my, again, undergrad, so I don't think you will find these, and I'm not sure if in the US they have this color. Where I bought it, they call it cinnamon color. Then I have these black Uggs. These are the short ones, just basic Uggs. So as we are going in the winter section, let's go winter to summer. It will make sense, I guess. 6 pairs is for the winter one that I can use, and now it's gonna be a jump, but it's like high heel boots. So I got these high heel boots, I guess 3 years ago from Canada. when I was visiting my mom. They had studs, detail, and they have zipper on the side. And they are really comfortable. This is J plus D, I don't know the exact brand, and they are in size 39. Let's go with the other boots. My new favorite, this Aldo crocodile skin white boots. I'm not sure if you can see, these are ankle high boots. They have a zipper on the side. I just wore these once last Saturday when I was like celebrating my engagement with my fiance when we go out dinner, and as you can see they are like a really little clean. I got them maybe 3 weeks ago from, I guess I said Aldo. I will link them below. I really liked it. They have also a black one of these, but because I had these black ones, I didn't want to get another black, and I was looking for a white boot for a long time, and I thought, why not to get round? I highly recommend them. These are a little bit tougher than like your usual boots. You need to wear 2 or 3 times to get them like fitted perfectly. For the first time they might hurt your feet, but they are super nice, super cool, and very chic. Okay, the next one. I have so many Aldo shoes, by the way. I like them because like they have really similar shoes to very high-end ones. So if you see something in Chanel, I don't know, Dior, they can come up with like different version, but very similar kind of it. As the price wise, they are much more cheaper than them. So let's get going. These are another boots that I have. These are shorter than the other ones as the ankle wise, and they are in brown color, I guess you can say it, brown. And these were a gift from my boyfriend 2 years ago because I was looking something like that and he gifted me. These are the most comfortable high heel boots that I wore among the others. I don't know what they have inside, like it's like so soft, and the material is so soft too. Like I wish they still had it, but I don't think they have. You should check Aldo's shoes, like maybe you can find something similar to that. I wore 38, which is 7.5 of these, and they fit perfectly for me. Like let's go back for a second. For these white boots I wear 8 in US size, which is 38.5 in European size. Another boot, it's not boot, but these sandals, they have straps on the back. These were so in high demand last summer, so I really like those. If you're asking me how many times I wore them, let me just show you. 0. I never wore them. I don't know why. I have obsession with high heels, but I'm not wearing them because they're not the most comfortable to walk in the city, and my work is more casual. I don't need to like wear business style and high heels. It's just when I go out and I'm not going out that much, or any events that I'm not going to the events that much, but I love having them. Okay, now I don't think I have any more winter stuff or fall stuff. Let's continue with the high heels, then we can go to the sneaker ones because I have a little bit more of high heels. I have these low heel straps shoe. These are the perfect shoes, and these are so comfortable. I got them from Madden, if you can see. I highly recommend these shoes for everyday wearing. By the way, I don't know the technical term on fashion, so I don't know how I'm explaining this. I hope you can understand what I mean by those, but I'm trying as much as I can. These are from last summer season from Aldo. The color is nude pink. High heels with the straps that goes around the ankle. I am loving those. I wear them few times. For the next pair of high heels, my high heels are not like never ending, and I'm thinking that this video is gonna be so long because I'm talking too much. These are by far my favorite high heels. If you can see, these are from also Aldo. I bought them in my undergrad, and this is size 8 in US, which is 38.5 in European size. Let's continue with my second favorite high heel. I bought them from Aldo again. They have really nice high heels, by the way, not many sneakers. I bought it from my grad and I wore them in my graduation for master's degree. They look so nice. If I can find a picture, I will insert here or here zoomed up so you can see how I wore them. Continuing on my last high heel I have in here, and these are again from Aldo. This is green. Did I wear those at all? No, I never wore those once. As you can see, I still have the bands in them. I didn't like them, but I didn't get a chance to wear those anywhere out, and because they are green, they are not easy to combine with every cloth that you have. Maybe with the black, yes, nude, yes, but if you wear something colorful like pink, blue, it might be hard to match these shoes with the clothes that you have. Now we are done with the high heels. We can go with more every day, and then we can go for the sports shoes. Let's start with this one. I got these this summer from Madden, and these are comfortable. This is leather, this is suede, black and brown. They had white and black, which this side was white, I guess. And these are more narrow than the regular ones. If your feet is wider than like usual, or it's like counted wider, maybe you want to go a size up because they are narrow and it's not like so much stretchy when you wear it. Let's continue with the basics, which I have these black sneakers from Steve. I'm sure you know it. I'm sure you can find it still because they are the classic and everyone has it. They are so comfortable. In the first days that you wear those, it might hurt your like back of the feet because they are getting used to it, but after 1 or 2 wear, it's like perfectly the most comfortable shoes, and I will link them below because I'm sure you can find it still now. And I also have green one. I guess this looks like gray in the camera, but it is the green version, and these are like a little bit yellowish right now. Okay, I have these shoes which they are really close to this one, but their color is different, and they are from Zara. As you know, Zara is duplicating other brands and selling them with lower price, I guess. You can see I still have the tags because I never wore those. I bought it this summer from Zara. Tea break because I talk so much right now. Go with, this is counted as sneaker, but so these are my Michael Kors shoes. At this time, if you know the time I'm mentioning, it was, I guess it was in my high school days. I got those shoes, and at that time the studs were so popular, if you know, and they have some stud details in here and they are in beige color. Next up, we are changing our style a little bit in more comfortable daily use. This is a must-have of white sneaker. These are from, again, Aldo. I saw them actually 2 months ago in the store, so I'm trying to find it for you. If I can find it, I will link them below. This is another classic and must-have for everyone. These are the black ones. There is nothing much to say about these. These shoes, it's from my high school days, I'm sure of it, because they are that old. These are from Stradivarius, which is sub-brand of Zara, or if you know Bershka, they are similar to Bershka, they are in the same company. These are another classic ones, Adidas Superstars. This black Converse one, these are the classics. I don't think I need to say anything else about those. The little trick I do, and I'm not sure if you will like it or you consider it or you are doing as same as me, I wear those in rainy days because all the shoes that I have is like more important and pricier than this one, and I don't want to ruin them with the water in the rain, and I can sacrifice these shoes in the rain more than the other ones. So it's a quick tip: if you have any cheap shoes that you are willing to sacrifice, use them on the rainy days. By the way, how many you counted till now? These are the New Balance shoes. They were so popular in my undergrad time, so everyone had that. My go-to sneakers. Number 1. I got this in my high school time and I am still wearing them and I'm loving it and the color, and everyone asked me about this one. They are the first ones that I came with in the Air Max, and this is the purple color. Nike Air Max all white ones. These are so comfortable, so nice. I got it from my undergrad also. The other ones that I highly recommend for everyone is this black Nike shoes. I don't know what they call it. These are breathable because of the fabric. A little bit more and we are going to be done. I hope. I have 2 more Nike shoes. These are Nike Air 270s. If I found those, I will link them below so you can go and buy it too. And the last Nike shoe that I have is this one. This is for my workout. These were so popular like on my undergrad. I bought this 2 months ago from Skechers. My mom wanted to go and look at the Skechers store because everyone was wearing them and everyone was like, oh, I guess Skechers is going like very popular, and she wanted to go in the store and look at it, and I was like, oh, they are cheap and they are a little bit ugly. I'm not gonna lie, they are not the best shoes that you can find, but interestingly enough, when you put them on and style with any of the clothes, they look so good. But the key for this shoe is the styling and how you wore those. But quickly, these are the Toms. These ones that I got from last year from Aldo again. These are the flats that I have from Zara. I got it from my undergrad. Do I like those? Not that much. Favorite flats that I had from my high school days. So these are bow detailed velvet shoes from Zara women's section. Did I wear those ones? No, as you can see, they are clean as my heart. They don't have any scratch or dirt in under them. I got these sandals from Aldo 3 months ago or 2 months ago from Steve. This is Madden. This is from Madden Girl section. So these 2 shoes, they are so old. These are from my undergrad again. I'm not wearing those because I don't like these kind of shoes anymore, but still I have them. This is from Aldo, and the last shoes that I have, I just wore this once or twice, and once I guess, and I don't know, I still have the sticker. No one warned me when I was wearing that you have white sticker on a black shoe. Do you think that's a lot for a one person? I don't think that's a lot. Do you think that's a lot? How many shoes do you have? Let me know. We are back at where we started. Counted, and drum roll, I have 41 pair of shoes in the collection. I guess 35, and I have, I guess, 6 more when you count the ones that I'm not wearing, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them I'm sure I'm not wearing. If you discard that 5, I'm close. So this is all my collection. Hope you will like the video, and again, as I said, I will link down below all the shoes that I can find, so you can go and buy it. If you have any questions, I don't know what will you have about this shoe collection. Any question? I don't think you will have any questions because that's not that kind of video, but if you have any, let me know and I can answer you happily and gladly. And don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. I will appreciate your support to grow this channel a little bit more because I don't have many subscribers, and I have a goal of reaching at least 100 of subscribers in 3 months. We will see. So every subscribe is appreciated, every like is appreciated. Hope you will enjoy this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.